Hi guys, welcome to Richard Kabili YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to hard reset the Samsung Galaxy A01 Core. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you'll have to do is first is turn off your mobile phone and press the power button to turn off. And okay guys, after your phone is turned off, okay, we have to proceed to hard reset. Okay, you'll have to do to hard reset this phone is, okay, press and hold the volume up and power button. And after you see the logo, release this button. And okay guys, here and Android recovery, okay, to move this or to select, okay, you'll have to do is press the volume down or volume up to select, okay. And okay guys, you'll have to do is move to wipe data factory reset, okay. After you move this portion, okay, to select or to proceed to this swipe data factory reset, you'll have to do is press the power button to select. And after that, okay, go down to factory data reset. Okay, move to factory data reset. And after that, press again the power button to select. And after that, okay, you can see the reboot system now. Okay, select this and press the power button to hard reset your Samsung Galaxy A01 Core. And okay guys, here I have read and agreed to all of the above. And tap the next button. And now choose a Wi-Fi network. So you need to connect to Wi-Fi network. And okay guys, after you connect, okay, we have to connect it to Wi-Fi and tap the next button. And checking for updates. Copy apps and data. Okay, you can don't copy this by tap the don't copy button. Okay, Google sign in. Okay, you can skip this by tap the skip button. And skip account setup. Okay, you can skip this by tap the skip button. Google services. Okay, scroll down and tap the accept button. And the protect your phone. Okay, you can skip this by tap the skip button. And skip anyway. Okay, tap this. Okay, sign in to your Samsung account. Okay, you can skip this by tap the skip button. And phone optimization, you can tap the next button. And all done. Okay, tap the finish button. And okay guys, that's it. We have successfully hard reset the Samsung Galaxy A01 Core. Okay, so okay guys, that's it. If you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.